Hi, it's Dave Williams again. And this is the second video in the series, and I'll be talking in more detail about the parts that will make up your wind turbine. The first part of your wind turbine are the three blades. The blades are what catch the wind and physically turn the generator to create the power. And to connect the blades to the generator, you need a hub. The hub is the piece that will connect your blades to the shaft of the generator. And the generator, or DC motor, in case you forgot from the last video, is where the power gets produced. As the blades spin, they will also spin the generator, which is where the power is produced in the turbine. The next part is very important, yet it's almost always overlooked: your tower. The tower is what anchors your wind turbine to the ground, and you'll need something relatively tall and sturdy so that when the wind speed picks up, your turbine won't vibrate loose and fall down. And what connects your wind turbine to your tower is the axis. The axis is what gives your wind turbine the ability to turn to face the direction that the wind is blowing. The wind turbine will rotate on a horizontal axis, just like the arrows of a compass do to point north. Without an axis, your wind turbine will be highly ineffective. As well as the axis, your wind turbine will also have a tailpiece. The tailpiece is what the wind will hit to spin your wind turbine into the direction that the wind is blowing, to ensure that your wind turbine produces power at its maximum capability at all times. That's it for the parts that will make up your wind turbine. Now I'm going to discuss a few parts that you'll need in order to actually use the power that your wind turbine produces. The first part is your battery. The battery will be used to collect the power that your wind turbine produces. And as a safety precaution, you also need a charge controller. The charge controller is used to prevent your battery pack from overloading from receiving too much energy from your turbine, and it's an absolute necessity. The last piece is optional, and it will depend greatly on your power needs. It's an AC inverter. Your turbine will be producing DC power, and if you want to use the AC power, then you need to buy an AC inverter to turn that DC power into AC power. So that's it for the parts list of your wind turbine. The next video in the series is going to be about money. I'll talk about how much money your wind turbine will cost you and how much money you can save by building your own wind turbine. Until next time, I'm Dave Williams, and I hope you enjoy.